Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss an important topic, interview tips for freshers. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon also. First step is that resume preparation. Next one is need to active in job portals. Last one is discuss about common interview questions and a sample program. A resume is an advertisement, so you need to careful in the creation of resume. You need to specify your unique skills, qualifications, etc. 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 Next one is register your resume in specific job portals. From there you can search the job. If any matching profiles came, they will inform you also. You need to active in that portal, otherwise you can't find a proper job for you. Then before moving to an interview, first of all you need to know about the company. From the website you can understand what are their projects and what are their products, their aim, that thing. In interview time, you need to answer clearly and directly. Do not argue with the interviewer. Address the interviewer politely and answer to all questions in a confident way. In interview time, you can expect following questions. First of all, they will ask that tell us about yourself. At that time, you can tell your name, educational details, family details, etc. No need to ask or no need to tell about your hobbies like this, like that thing. Then next one is that they will ask your strength and weakness. At that time, with some examples, you can present it. Then hobbies. Next one is they ask that why should hire you. Based on your strength, your passion, you can answer this question. Then where do you see yourself 5 years from now? At this one they want to estimate your passion and other things. So answer based on like that. Last question is that do you have any questions for us? At that time you can ask the nature of your job, which department will hire you, as like that. Now we can discuss a sample program. The aim of this presentation is mainly focusing on IT students, so we can discuss a program .NET side. Here I write two classes. One is class A, next one is a derived class. Derived class inherits class A, and in derived class we can see two constructors. Both are pointing to the base class, and one method is here. In that method, base keyword we using. That base keyword, based on that base keyword, we just call a method from the base class. Here we using override mechanism. Base class and the derived class both are having same method. We can just run this one. First of all, it hits the object created for derived class. So move to the constructors first, and the values are assigned as like that. Then we return these things to the constructor. To the console as like this one. We can take the console now. We can see that in class A, no argument constructor invoked, because here we can see no arguments are passed. Next line, here this one will invoke. So parameterized constructor invoke. The invoked values will return in our console. We can see it like that. Final one is calling swap method. Here it is going to base class method. In base class we create a temporary variable and assign value 1 to there, and we take the swapping. Then came into our derived class. Then we would do the same thing. We can see the result in console. Take the console. We can see the answers as like this. This program is very simple. From this program we can understand class concept, object, and overriding, then inheritance. This one is very helpful for answering oops concept and all. So truly you need to create a console application as like this one, and it is very helpful for your interview time. Then we can move to the common interview. Question. Here I specify the common portals which are showing the answers and questions. This one is very helpful to you. In the comment section I will add this one also. In each and every interview question portals we can see the concept questions, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, what is an object, class. For these questions I already show a program for you, so you need to practice it and understand the way of coding and all. Next thing is that you need to understand the architecture of that programming language, how it will work, what are the basic components like common language specification, CTS, just-in-time compiler, and what actions are taking in place of running a program as like that. What is an assembly, as like these questions are commonly asking in our fresher interview time. In each job portal we can see too much common questions. Common websites are attached in my comment section also. In the case of SQL it is little bit different. Based on two tables they will ask how they are related, or they ask the common questions as like that. Subqueries as like that. Here we can see two tables, one is employee details and one is salary. How these two tables are connecting, these things are specified in this thing. You need to know about the aggregate functions as like mean, average, and why we are using having clause, importance of where clause, how we can update a table, how we can alter a table, how we can remove field from a table. Then next one is that take the count, take the last inserted value. These are common questions in SQL. You need to understand these things from these like portals. I just want to conclude my topic now. Here we need to focusing on the resume preparation, common interview practicing and all. Finally, I want to say thanks to all for hearing my presentation. Bye bye. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks to all.